So what you're currently looking at is the satellite imagery of Hurricane Dorian. It's moving north-northwest right now, and the latest guidance actually now potentially takes it up and just off the east coast, right after stalling near Florida. And I'm just going to put the stream out right now. Gonna try to. Is a South Florida landfall possible? Yes, it's still possible, but it's looking less and less likely now. It may just go up the up the Florida coast and then up the East Coast, just like Floyd did in 1999. There's a possibility it could do that. It's gonna stall. So that's the thing. It's gonna stall Sunday into Monday. Alrighty, so just put the stream out, and now let's see what's going on. Just for a moment, just wanna. Alrighty. So let's look at microwave, the at the at microwave multimeter satellite. This is showing wind speeds here. Wind speeds are increasing here, 75 knots. And now they're up to 78 knots, which is close to 90 miles per hour. Just in the last moment, they hit 78 knots right there. 76. Yep. So, Fort Lauderdale, yeah. And here's the thing, I'm actually supposed to be going there in just a couple of weeks. If that place gets wrecked, the whole trip is going to be canceled. And I'm going to, because we already booked a hotel there and everything. So, yeah, that's going to be a problem for me. I hope it doesn't get hit there. Because, you know, I have family and friends living there. I have family and friends in New Smyrna Beach. And, well, I have family in Jacksonville, New Smyrna Beach, and Miami. So, well, basically close family friends living down there. Jacksonville is actually my hey Andrew, hey Randus, thanks for joining. Yeah, this looks to be a really bad situation. Hold on, what was I trying to do? Oh, yeah, knots to miles per hour. The formula for converting knots to miles per hour, it's 6006. It was basically to convert knots to miles per hour, so it's 6,006 times knots per hour, and then divide that by miles per hour. I am from. Oh, nice. That's actual. Yeah, I have some family who live in near Sunny Isles. 89. Yeah, that's already 90. We've hit 90 already. Let's see. Jeez. Oh my god. And imagine if it just goes up the East Coast. Yeah, it already hit 90. Okay, that's good. You're in Illinois, so you're not going to get affected by this. Oh, it's already a post-tropical cyclone. Okay. Let's go to European right now. Look at the current run. Yeah, it is kind of early to tell. I mean, the thing is, it's going to stall in. There's some indication that it might stall over here. Let's go to Twitter and look at some of the latest tracks. This is from yesterday. Yeah, yesterday and today. So this is today's run. This is yesterday's run. This is today's run. Yeah, last night and today. So Up the East Coast. Let me look at that. You're very welcome. Like, this is gonna get really scary, guys. It's yes, and it's gonna be pretty strong, but it's gonna be moving pretty fast because this storm is gonna be moving a little slower than expected, and the high will be moving a little faster, which will mean it may take a turn up the East Coast. And so if, let's see the midnight run yet the noon run yesterday had all in Florida, couple going up the coast, and then last night had all going up the coast. But I do spy some tracks that try to hook it in. See, it's all going northeast, and then this one is. So some of them. 180 kilometers per hour. Wow. So that's a very close call, guys. Let's see. Let's try that again. It's like I can't watch it for some reason. Can't zoom in. It's really the hard turn. Hurricane Matthew. Reminiscent of Hurricane Matthew in 20. Yeah, except it's not going to do that sharp turn out. It's going to do something like this. The GFS Sunday morning, the European Wednesday morning. Both models are enduring north, dumping lots of rain over central and northern Florida. And yeah. And the the GFS dumps tons of rain in New York City, like tons of rain. So I think the first landfall will be in the Carolinas, actually. I think it will. Well, actually, right now, I'm not exactly sure, but based on what I'm seeing, I do think it will hit Florida. Look at the GFS. Look, it's going to hit Florida, go off the coast, blow back up into a hurricane, and then just head up the East Coast. Like, this is insane, guys. This is insane. Check this out. This is the 12Z run. Back into a hurricane, and then slams New York City as a tropical storm with some heavy rain. And then the most important way to check if it's tropical or not is to look at the 500 millibar temps. Yeah, still tropical all the way up to here. Oh, incredible, guys. Just incredible. Jeez. Let's look at the NAM right now. Current NAM. Like, they're all having a sharp turn east. I mean, west. Oh, look at that. A turn south. Holy crap. Oh no, right into Miami. This is exactly where my family lives. Not down here, but like in this area in Miami, right here. And this slams it right in there. Do I think Dorian will be retired? Yeah, there's a 100% chance the name Dorian will be retired. And just FYI, um, this was Dean's back in 2007, 12 years ago. This was Hurricane Dean, which devastated Central America. So Dean was replaced by Dorian. It devastated Central America as a Category 5 hurricane. See, it basically was a Cape Verde storm that just tracked and hit Belize in the Yucatan Peninsula as a Category 5. And it killed, 40 people, But this storm may actually even be worse than Dean. Because water temperatures in the path of Hurricane Dorian are very warm, like really, really warm. Well, the thing why this is so confusing to track is because there's going to be very weak steering currents. So basically Dorian's either going to go out to sea harmlessly like this. This is just going to go whoop, and then out to sea. Or yeah, this is like Matthew. Look at that. Just like Matthew. The storm is turned. I think this actually might be the most likely track, hitting the Carolinas and then going out to sea. So, I mean, look at that. Look at that symbol number 1. Okay, that's just insane. Right now where Dorian goes, it could be anybody's guess. Like, it might actually end up doing this, going into the Gulf. And that's one model. Yeah. I mean, there's still an outside chance that Dorian could miss the East Coast altogether, and we might end up getting a big sigh of relief, but... let's hope it doesn't hit anybody, guys, Plus, Russia doesn't get hurricanes anyway. Hey, thanks for joining. Okay, so let's see now. Recon data. New reconnaissance data, come on. I mean, I'm kind of new to this, so I don't know how to collaborate. I do have Discord, but I only use it on my phone because I can't multitask, so I can only do like one thing at a time. Okay, let's see. So they're doing a drop sound mission right now, for upper air soundings. There's Florida and there's Dorian now. Let's look at MMIC. Actually, I can't use Discord right now, guy. I can't use Discord. It's just. Hmm. Man. Yeah, I know it's updating. I'm using weather.co.edu. I'm already up to hour 45, and it's still going west. Oh. Just gotta. Hey, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello?
Yay!
Hello?
Yes, hey.
What's up?
I'm good. How are you?
Can
What?
you hear me?
Yeah, I'm doing a live stream right now. Yeah, I can hear you fine.
Yeah, no. You want to collab maybe? Because I can open up. because I can talk on the phone and I can open and
You
do you have share screen? Can you there's a button on the top right. Can you
no
press share screen?
shares. No, I don't have that.
No, it's on the top on Discord. There'll be a button that will say share screen. Like it'll be a button showing like on the call.
Where?
There'll be a button that, um I, I wish I could show you. Wait,
It's not letting me do it. Okay, got
you
it.
see it?
Yeah.
All right. So now I can like live stream collab with you. All right?
Can I minimize the window though?
What?
Can I
Yeah, you
minimize the
can
window?
go to any window. You can close the window. No, not close. End
Minimize,
the window. Just
minimize.
like yeah, minimize it, and I can still hear you and everything.
Oh, because right now it's live streaming, so everyone is hearing us talk.
Yeah. All right. So let's continue. I can just jump right in. I was watching for a while.
So yeah, it's up there. I'm on hour 48 right now.
So yeah, right now you can see that Dorian is expected to get the moisture from the near the east coast. That's gonna be coming from the tropical wave. Actually, that came off. I think it was a few days ago, if I'm right, and it's expected to intensify anywhere up to like 130 miles per hour potentially. But right now, for National Hurricane Center put it as a near 4, I believe, in the latest advisory. So this is a huge concern for Florida. I think they did issue state of emergency. So if anyone is there, it doesn't matter where you live, anywhere in Florida, even parts of Georgia and Carolina, you guys need to really keep an eye. And if you're in Florida, I would tell you guys to potentially get prepared and maybe even evacuate. Not yet, but maybe in tomorrow if this system continues
Actually,
looking as bad as it's gonna be.
sorry. Don't mean to interrupt, but here's the thing. Dorian is gonna stall off the east coast of Florida. There's a chance it's gonna do what Matthew did and just turn north. That's what the Euro has been
Oh,
suggesting.
but there's another possibility that can go to the Gulf. So really, we're
Not
not
anymore.
100% sure, but it's looking more certain that's gonna go inside. That's what the European shows.
Yeah, it's gonna go up the coast. This is what the European is showing right now. It's gonna go
Yeah.
up the coast.
Wait,
So
go to windy.com. Go to windy.com. You can actually see European mall way better if you go on windy.
actually, oh great, it just made a north turn. All right, I
Yeah. So it's definitely gonna go up to affect most of Florida. Probably you should feel tropical storm winds in most parts of Florida. But right now, looking like northern Miami's looking like where the landfall might happen. The north, a
uh,
little north of Miami.
do you have family living in Miami?
What?
Do you have family living in Miami? No, I'm just curious.
I can't hear you. It's like cracking up.
Do you have family living in Miami or anybody
Um,
like family, friends? No, right?
I mean, the population over there is pretty high. Bit
No, no.
entire
What I mean is, I
Florida.
have family living in Miami. I have family.
Oh, I thought you were saying, do you live in Miami? I'm like, what are you saying, man?
No, I'm saying, do
But
you have family living there? Because I do. This is really concerning for me.
oh, I know lots of people who live in Miami also,
Yeah,
and this I told them to already.
I have
Um,
family in
maybe
Jacksonville. Actually,
prepare
my closest family,
evacuation.
my uncle lives
Uh huh.
in Jacksonville with his
Jacksonville.
with my cousins.
Oh, dude, Jacksonville also looks like it's gonna get affected. Landfall is not as likely, but it's looking like you'll probably get there, potentially as a Cat 1 as it rides up the coast.
Actually, I'd rather have it stay off the coast. So this is
Are you
high.
using the GFS on
Yes,
this
I'm
one?
using the
New
GFS.
GFS that high pressure is gonna decide it all. If that high
But
pressure
if
can
that,
pull it
I mean,
up.
but you see how slow Dorian is moving. Like it's
Uh huh.
moving very slow. If that high could zip out of here fast enough, Dorian could go up the coast. You see this big low right here. You see all this
Yeah.
area of low pressure. This will move east, push that high out, and
Mhm.
cause Dorian to go up the coast, maybe even off the coast, hopefully.
Mhm.
Or
Yeah,
if,
that's
but here's another
This is
concern.
probably
This
one
is
of the
what I
worst.
think may happen. I
Yeah,
think
hopefully it does because there are actually some models. If you look at the CMC model guidance on the tropical tidbits, you can see that they're expecting it to go a little to go out of the coast, away from the coast, which would be good. Hopefully that does happen, but I'm not sure right now.
okay, hold on. Here's what I'm trying to say. If this low pressure system,
Yeah.
say it tries to kick Dorian out to sea, but then on
Uh huh.
behind it, as you can see with this run,
Uh-huh. Shows it
No,
going
no,
up
no, no. This
Jacksonville.
low pressure system
Near
will be slow to
Mm-hmm.
move in, and then it will
Mm-hmm.
try to kick Dorian.
Oh.
No, hold on, hold on. It will try to kick Dorian out to sea, but it's moving very
Mm-hmm.
quickly, so it may not have time to
Mm-hmm.
grab Dorian. And then as the storm, look what the GFS has to do. The
Yeah.
GFS goes east, and then
Mm-hmm.
that cold front leaves. And guess what Dorian does? It blows back up over the Atlantic, so it becomes a tropical storm, maybe even a depression. Moves back off the coast,
Yeah.
blows back up right into a hurricane again. Look at that, and then goes up the coast. That's a 12Z.
Whoa! I didn't even see that model run.
Yeah, look
I
at
haven't
this.
checked because I was at school, right?
Yeah, look
I
at
was at
that.
school, so whoa! It actually shows it making a second landfall in Carolina/Virginia.
And then
Whoa! And
brushing by New
potentially
York
even
City,
affecting the northeast,
and then making
and then going
landfall
to
in Nova
Nova
Scotia.
Scotia. Yeah, Nova Scotia.
That's
Something I want to talk to you about is look in the Gulf right now. I'm not gonna talk about this too long because of course Dorian's a big concern. But there's a tropical wave in the Gulf that some models are showing
actually
to
this is
form.
not a tropical wave. This is that.
Mexico.
You see this right here? You see this cold front,
Uh huh.
right?
Yeah.
The cold front will drop something. Has dropped something. So this is actually not a tropical system. It may become tropical, but its origins are non-tropical.
Yeah, but it could become something. I mean, I
Okay,
think the only model that's showing
so
it right
look at
now is the
Dorian
Icon.
here. It's
Yeah.
here. But the current run, see, it's further east here. So I'm concerned that because of Dorian being further east,
Uh,
it may go up the coast instead of off the coast. Or like it may
the worst thing that can happen is that it goes in the Gulf and goes
like
back in the Gulf. That would be the worst thing possible, probably.
yeah, that will be the worst. But what if
It's also very concerning. This potential track, is also very, very concerning because that will expose more population
no, what
and
if Dorian does not make landfall in Florida but just goes up the east coast and it impacts the northeast?
kind of like what's the summer
Like
time now?
Hurricane Irma. I mean, Irene back in 2011.
Yep, that's what I was gonna say.
You see this high right here?
Um,
It's
go to the European. Okay, go to European Mall for a sec.
European already updated. Yeah, of course.
All right, so you can see that
Yeah, it's gonna do a
as this
southwest
is
jog. Look at this. Look at our 96. Look at that. Southwest move. See that? And move it southwest and then
yeah, they're starting to agree on something here, like because of that pressure system moving it towards the
and then
northeast.
that would basically give it a lot of rain to the northeast.
Uh huh. I think to be honest, in my opinion, I think by on tomorrow we're gonna find all the information on the system, and potentially we could start seeing some watches.
Yeah, hold on. See that? Okay, it's moving very slowly. Yeah, see 967 here. Yeah, and it's 973 here. I think Dorian may end up just turning up the coast. And see how it says 973? It's going to be in the 930s. This is incorrect. It's already very low. Because right now the GFS has it at 994 millibars. Trust me, Dorian is going to be much stronger than 973. It might even be in the 930s or 940s.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Oh yeah, you know what happened? My phone turned off and it just like went. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Do you usually talk to David?
Me?
Yeah.
Not ever.
Why?
Never. He doesn't really talk to me that much.
Yeah, he's really busy, you know. He has a lot.
Uh huh.
Like I know David, he's really busy all the time. Work,
I
he's
know. He used to talk to me a lot when he was smaller. I was one of his OG subscribers. But this is very concerning, right? Like,
yeah,
I think this is what I was saying. Did you hear? Tropical storm watches could be issued by tomorrow,
from
or
where?
even warning for Florida,
Why
parts
by
of
tomorrow?
Florida.
Okay, here's the thing. Landfall won't occur in Florida until next week. Today is Thursday. Landfall won't occur until Monday or Tuesday. And you see, it's already starting to make
Yeah,
its
but
return. See, the high is already moving out, and it's already making it a little
Yeah,
bit of a
yeah.
northwest.
I'm starting to understand what you're trying to say.
No, I think a Florida landfall will occur. I think they think of this
It's
area.
no matter what, even if it doesn't, Florida and landfall, the one core, they will have a huge impact. Not a huge,
Storm,
not
big
maybe not.
waves.
Yeah, storm surge, not storm surge. Yeah, some high waves, rainfall, and if this makes landfall as what could happen as a major hurricane, this is going to be worse. But it's starting to look, it's changing a lot. But go to Windy for a sec. Actually, that starts to be one of my favorites. Shows a lot.
Hold on.
Windy.com.
Okay, hour
Alright.
81. Hold on. Let's see what the GFS. I just want to look at the GFS one more time.
Yeah.
Hold on.
1 sec.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Am I mute for
Hold on.
my dad's?
Your dad is calling you?
Nah. He might. So I might mute for like 10 seconds and then come back. Alright.
Hold
In
on.
a
Look
few
at that.
seconds. Yeah, I see that.
It's marching west. This is hour 84.
Nah. Which website is this? I haven't used this. So
This is the website I taught David to use. Wait a second. Hold
Oh.
on. Southeast. Hold on. I'm hour 87 now. Hold on.
Wow.
Hold on. Okay, look at that right here. Hold on.
So you live in New York City?
Yes.
I'm guessing.
New York City.
Alright.
No, look at the. Look, I think it's gonna make a northwest turn at hour 87. Hold on. Yep, it's starting to do that turn.
Yeah.
Yep, you see that right here? West and then.
What's the chat saying? Is the chat asking any question?
Hold on. Just a second. Continental U.S. Hour 90. Nope, it's still moving west. Oh, geez, this is getting really scary now.
Yes.
And thankfully, it's not Miami, but.
The population exposure is going to be horrible.
Yep, this is approaching. This is West Palm.
They already state of emergency.
Yeah,
if
they
I'm
should
correct.
evacuate. I think the whole Florida coast needs to be all up. The high pressure will.
Yeah.
Yep, exactly.
Like this state, like this is catastrophic for entire Florida.
This is life threatening. This is. Look at this.
Yeah, you can even see it making.
What?
I'm concerned, to be honest. I'm very concerned for.
Still off the coast.
It looks like it could go a little more to the north, but yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's the 12th season. Never mind. I'll say I thought it was something. This is gonna make landfall in the first few days of September. Really, any day you can make landfall is Sunday to Sunday to Tuesday will be probably the worst impact for the system.
Let's see. Continental U.S. Okay, the high pressure system is out of here. I don't know why it's still moving west. Hold on.
What do you think the chances of this are going to the Gulf?
Very low.
I would give it 20%. Cause it's still somewhat far out.
Okay, it's stalling.
Somewhat.
The GFS has it stalling.
Stalling.
Yep. Like completely stalling. Great.
This is pretty concerning, my man.
Yeah.
As you can see right there.
Wait. 18. That's category 3 winds.
Look at how moisture this is gonna bring in
Look,
the
it
Gulf
stalls. It
also.
stalls. It completely stalls. And now the western eye wall is
Huh.
hitting Florida.
This is looking like Harvey, Irma, Michael all in one kind of.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Jeez, look at that. Stalls it right off the coast. Just stalls it.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell people to watch the stream.
Yeah, please do. I think it will end up being over here somewhere.
Hmm.
I think you'll end up.
You wanna go to Windy now?
I'm just trying to see something. Yeah, I'll go to Windy.
Alright, so switch to European. Already
Oh,
to roll wind gusts.
okay. I am on European.
Wind gusts are somewhat more accurate. The winds are not accurate on the Windy for some reason. Wait, if you go on wind gusts, look how crazy the winds are.
It's like 50-mile-an-hour gusts. Look at that. Now it's heading right towards New York City.
Mm-hmm.
Well, not towards New York.
This is even getting concerning for you. Entire East Coast now has to keep an eye on this.
Oh wow! Look at that.
Wow.
Actually,
This
that.
is kind of reminding me of Sandy now. Once you think of the
Nah,
Northeast
this
and a
doesn't remind me of
hurricane.
Sandy. This is gonna go This is gonna go harmlessly out to sea after that.
Yeah.
Could it be could it be a Cat 5? Possibly, but not very unlikely now.
I mean, we can never really. Cat 5, whenever people ask the question, it's like, you can't say no, but it's very uncertain and pretty unlikely. I would give it like, if you ask me, 15% right now.
Yeah, 15%. Like it's not impossible, but it's pretty unlikely.
15. Yeah,
Jeez, look at that! It's
15.
coming onshore Florida right now.
I even think Cat 4, to be honest, is a
No, I know
little
Luther.
over. Like, I think they're over, like, doing it, to be honest. Cat 4. I think National Hurricane Center, like,
Oh,
Cat
jeez, it
4, I
moved to
think that's a little too
southwest.
aggressive.
Jesus.
Dude, this is gonna be like, and I know lots of people live in Miami, and this is gonna be horrible for them.
Yeah.
And even worse, it's gonna be Labor Day weekend, and everyone's gonna try and
Look at all
enjoy
that rain.
and lots of
This
people
is
go
like
to
20 inches
Florida
of
for
rain.
like this Labor Day.
This is like almost 20 inches of rain. Look at this.
Dude, this is tremendous, tremendously bad. Like,
Actually, I gotta go right now.
tremendous amount
I
of
gotta.
rainfall.
Are you on Facebook? Are you on? I'm gonna go on my Facebook group right now. I gotta.
Wow, man. Dude, this has actually been fun talking to you. I've actually learned a lot, like these
Thank you.
sites and stuff. Like, man, I really appreciate it. We should like collab with each other's channel. Maybe that you add me in Discord, we can talk a little more often about this, alright?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Oh, man, this looks really bad. Yeah, this might end up going in the Gulf.
Yeah, that's what I'm. That's really been my prediction for the last few days. The high pressure.
Yeah, this may
Oh,
end
you
up
actually
going.
have 7 people watching. That's nice. That's pretty good. Wow, look at that rainfall going in. Whew. Dude, the uncertainty of the system is so big because, like, we don't know. So many questions. Will this go to the Gulf? Will this make landfall in Miami?
Well,
Like,
here's the
where will
thing.
this make
Here's what you gotta
landfall?
realize. What's your name?
Can meteorologist?
No, like your real name. Like my name is Andy. What's your name?
What?
No, what's your name? Like,
I don't like to tell anyone.
all right. Well, can
You
I
can
just
call
call
me
you kid?
DTU.
Can I call you kid then?
DTU.
Huh?
Daily Tropical Updates. That's my old name.
All right. Well, what do you prefer me calling you? I mean, give me any name. It's okay. So you want me to call you kid right now?
DTU. Just say that.
DT? Did you say DT?
DTU, Daily Tropical Updates.
Okay. Okay, DTU.
Yeah.
Listen, so right now, this is the 18Z run. They're not very reliable. Usually, the most reliable
The
runs,
most reliable are 12 and 0s, yeah.
exactly, right. Because that's when the balloons are launched. They launch right before the and the and the updates from the balloon launches go into the 0 and 12Z models. How do you know that? So DTU, how did you know that? Like those models are the most accurate. Can you hear me? Oh wow, this is bad. This is really bad. I mean, jeez.
The most accurate models, basically 60 and 18 are like the extra model runs.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna have to have dinner soon, so I haven't had dinner yet.
You saw the icon. They were actually showing the Gulf system forming in a few days from now. Pretty crazy.
Yeah.
The icon model is actually crazy. Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Look how much storm. It shows multiple storms forming.
Yeah.
They even show storm forming a little more to the east of Dorian. You can see right there.
But that's the okay. Let's look at the current run, the 18Z. Oh,
Yeah, that
man.
one's short. It's like 120 hours, I think, right? It's been for the last few model runs. It's been showing this. Like they've been showing like 1,000.
Jeez, 989 millibars.
Haha, I live in Houston. If that system actually in the Gulf forms,
You live in Houston?
that could do something.
Wait, you live in
So,
Houston?
but it looks pretty weak to be honest.
Oh no,
And
the
only
icon.
this is the only
You're right.
model
The
that shows
icon
the
tag
forming.
said in the
So
Gulf. Jeez, icon takes it right into the Gulf.
what?
Yeah.
Yeah, icon takes in the Gulf. That's what.
But you know why this storm is going in the Gulf? Because this storm is pulling it into the Gulf.
Uh-huh. If that happens, oh, this is the 18Z also.
Yeah, this is the 18Z. This is the new run.
Wow. Dude, it shows like I think the tropical storm there, and the other one is looking like what would it be named for? Looks like that Invest right there is gonna hit Mexico or Texas border.
Let me see if it has even been given an invest.
It's not an Invest yet. It's not an Invest yet.
Yeah, it's not. Look,
I'm surprised it's not. I
yeah,
think it
it
should be
doesn't
an
even
Invest in
exist
my
yet.
opinion. It should be It should be because it's a tropical wave coming off. It's gonna be pulled with Dorian, and then Dorian's gonna leave it. I think it should be an Invest, but it looks like the development, if there is any development, it's gonna probably be in 6 or 7 days. I think that's why they haven't made it Invest, in my opinion.
Yeah, I mean, oh man, this is getting really scary. And now it's going north,
The
west.
shows are literally stalling. Oh my god, staying there for multiple. Wow.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna hit Florida. There's no doubt. Look at that,
Yeah,
20,
we can't even.
24 inches of rain. Holy crap!
Holy! Oh my god.
Oh, I think
This is like
Harvey. This is like Harvey.
you know, and we just recently had Barry, wasn't, and that was one of the worst flooding systems. It brought like 25 inches to parts of Louisiana, and now we're having another. But this is not. This is system's kind of gonna be like You can't say Harvey because Harvey was just a rain system. This system's gonna be an all-around system. It's gonna be potentially
Harvey is
major
a
hurricane
Category 4
winds.
hurricane.
potentially. I'm not gonna say category 4 yet. I'm sticking with category 3. I do think that the National Ranking Center is a little wrong on that. It could definitely. That thing is huge. Yes, it is. It's huge. If you don't mind, can I just tell them about my channel for a sec?
What?
If you don't mind, can I tell them about my channel? Like if they want to check it out.
Yeah, of course.
All right. Guys, if you guys want to check my channel, it's named The Kid Meteorologist. Simply The Kid and then Meteorologist.
Yeah.
I do weather videos. Of course, they're not as good as his, but if you guys want to check me out, I would appreciate that.
So let's just. And here's his YouTube channel right here.
Yeah, maybe you can link it if that's easier for them.
I'll link it. I'm just gonna show it to them. Oh, nice! You have 738 subscribers, and you've been doing videos for over a year. Oh wow! Did you? Can I see it? I want to see a video of yours.
I do that footage one, I guess.
Oh wait, that's bad. Look at all that damage.
Alright, let's get back to the video. Man.
Yeah.
Oh, did you see the new thing come out?
Look at all that dry air. Look at all that dry air going into Dorian.
Oh, is the 7 o'clock update gonna come out in probably 20 minutes or so? Cause they always give it around half an hour earlier. So, 1 sec.
Alright, so let's look at aircraft reconnaissance. Alright, so type unknown. Unknown. Upper level.
I'm back. I was just gone for a sec. I might have to go in like 10 minutes, alright?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. I heard you.
Okay. I'm actually happy Dorian is not as bad.
Yeah.
Dorian wasn't that bad to Puerto Rico. I mean, it wasn't like it didn't do that much. I'm not gonna say like it wasn't, but it didn't do that much at all.
Thank God.
Definitely could have been worse. So I'm happy that it basically went off Florida. I mean, not Florida, Puerto Rico. But it literally it brought devastating winds and rain to St. John's in the Virgin Islands. Oh, you know what's another really good model? Tropical Tidbits.
Yes, I know.
NAM Freaky.
Huh?
NAM. The NAM model, Freaky.
NAM's okay, but
it's good for close range.
I prefer NAM.
It's on massive scale. For the NAM, and then the nav is on here.
Can you mute my video because I hear echo?
Check the chat, maybe just make sure if no one's asking some questions about Dorian.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, he's good.
Yeah, but Severe Weather Center is better.
Thank you. I mean,
like even the nav gem was that.
This is the 12Z nav gem. Oh, geez.
You can see doesn't the nav gem come out really late? It's like comes out like
hurricane going up the coast. Like the nav gem has a hurricane going up the coast, and then like a high belt right.
That would be horrible. That would be horrible, man. It still shows like as a cat, like a strong cat 1, maybe even a cat 2.
Well, not quite. You see how it spends most of its time over land? This is gonna be a tropical.
But then as it goes up there.
Not quite. This is gonna be a tropical storm. Let's go southeast U.S.
It could be a
Right.
weak hurricane, to be
See
honest.
how it's gonna parallel the coast. So it's gonna be paralleling the coast.
Dude, look at that rain. The rain's going to be very concerning after it makes landfall. Landfall will be winds, but after landfall,
Ooh.
Roberts lives in Carolina. She's going to be right in this system. Potentially. But it's not confirmed yet. But there's a pretty good chance that it could skirt up the coast. These systems are always the worst when it rides up the coast.
Yeah.
Wait, does the go into mesoscales and check the what's the model? Go to HWRF model on Hurricane.
HWRF. Ready. Yep. In Florida, it's 961. 900.
What they show a landfall?
Look at that.
Whoa, 933.
You should have been seeing it the other day. They showed 918. So it's not as bad now.
They showed 918 like a few days ago, if I'm right.
Yes, they did.
But they show. I don't care about the intensity. I care about the track because I know this model is not that good on intensity. I just want to see the track. They show going in the Gulf, right? And then making landfall in. Wow, look at that rain. Even if it's gonna bring rain, so much rain to Tampa and Orlando. When it goes in the Gulf.
Not so much to Tampa. Tampa's gonna get a little bit from it. Tampa's gonna get some, but my God, Cape Canaveral, the
Miami's in a situation that either it will be like a landfalling, or the system can literally just miss it entirely. It's a make it or break it.
Yeah.
Cause like some models are showing it making landfall right there, and some models show it like not even getting a raindrop. Like of course a raindrop, but like barely anything over there. Like not even half an inch. So like it's very confusing for Miami. But it doesn't matter. You have to prepare no matter where you are in Florida.
Yeah.
No matter what. Even in the Panhandle. Because look at this mall right here. Even some malls are showing you hitting the Panhandle. Check the HWRP. It's actually kind of different.
It's almost the same. It's almost exactly
It's somewhat different. It's horrible because I know a few friends of mine. They're actually going to Florida for Labor Day weekend. Oh, that was sad for them.
See how it's going? It's going north here, north, and then it starts turning west.
Well, it actually goes a little more north than expected. And then it shows, wow, 950. Well, I bet this is going to show like 930.
No, 930s, not 930. It's going to be 930s.
Because like this mall is crazy. It showed like 930 at a point. What did it show? Yep, it shows it going to Gulf also.
Yep.
Wow.
But you should have.
What does it mean? What's the other hurricane model? There has to be another one. We already know.
That's the 12Z. Let's wait for the 18Z. Let's look at the 6Z though.
Yeah. Yep, Roberts Gulf are all praying for everyone.
Like they all have it in the Gulf. Let's wait for the 18Z to come out.
Wait, going to I haven't checked this in like a few hours. Can we check the spaghetti malls for like system? Like if you're okay with that. I haven't checked that in a while. Just a little curious.
Yeah.
Oh, so we have like a tiebreaker here. Kind of. I think more skirting it up. So, like there's only a few showing it in the Gulf.
Most of them have it making landfall in Florida. Like see right here. So basically it's gonna do something like this and then just go up the coast.
But the icon is also, if remember when we saw the icon, like we have models like showing anything. A few days ago, if I'm right, the GFS showed South Carolina landfall. Like it's crazy the uncertainty of the system.
Oh, let's go back to GFS now.
Yeah, we haven't checked that in a minute.
Here's a moment of truth here. Let's look at that.
Does it show Gulf? Does it show Gulf? Oh no.
Nope,
Wait,
does not show the Gulf.
does not show the Gulf. Cause the Gulf, I think,
Oh
might
my
be
God,
one
look
of
at
the
that. It says
worst
from
situations.
northeast.
Wow. Oh my God.
See that?
Flight out of Palm Beach on Saturday.
This storm is
6
insane. Oh my God, this storm is
This system
insane.
might be one of the. This is probably for meteorologists. This is probably a nightmare to track. It
is
is.
a nightmare.
It is somewhat
It's all over the
entertaining.
place.
It's fun to track, but this is a nightmare, man. Like, if I make a video 1 hour ago, like literally my forecast will change. I have to change my forecast so much. Like, man, one model.
Yeah, that's the thing. This is why the
This
no,
system,
this
man.
is
This
why
is
I'm
just
saying
like.
this is the why the title of my video is. Let me see what is the title.
Hurricane Dorian live stream.
That's why I'm just saying a Hurricane Dorian live stream because I am not gonna say, oh, it's gonna hit Florida, it's gonna hit here. Let's watch the models
I always
together.
feel like Florida. I always feel like Florida stuff in my stream, but then like it then just remote be like South Carolina landfall. Yee. Like, man, this system is gonna be horrible, man.
And then let's say it does what Joaquin does. What everyone was expecting Joaquin back in 2016 to go into North Carolina. The only model that said it was not going to hit land was the Euro, and the Euro ended up being right.
I mean, the Euro's is the king for close range hurricanes. I think we all know that, but
Yeah, the Euro is.
to be honest,
king.
Euro has been horrible,
Huh?
horrible this season. In the last few weeks, but in June and July,
Actually,
the Euro was horrible.
DMU.
Did you see how bad it was?
What was so bad?
It was so bad. They had multiple disturbances that had 60% or above, and the only model that was showing. This is the thing with the National Hurricane Center. They rely on their Euro too much sometimes.
Actually, the Euro was really accurate. Just to let you know.
Look at that rain.
Oh, it goes off the coast. It goes off the coast.
That's even worse because it could regenerate.
Yep, and look at that high building in. Oh man, this is a real nail biter.
If this hits Florida and this hits like the Northeast, this might be one of the most damaged. Like the
Actually, this already happened.
Most damage.
Hurricane Donna. Hurricane Donna did just that actually. Hit Florida and then went right into the Northeast. Back in 1960.
Is this Donna 2.0? Oh, look at the track. It came from the Caribbean.
Look at that. It hit the
Hurricane
Northeast as a hurricane, actually.
Was this a major hurricane also?
It hit. Here's the thing. Here's the crazy thing about Donna. It hit Florida as a Category 4.
Uh-huh.
Became a Category 1. Became a Category 2. And hit Long Island as a Category 2.
That's very, very, very rare.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like, this is back in the 60s when water cooler temperatures were cooler. And this was, when was
this? Is like 2 degrees, 3 degrees cooler.
Right about this time of year.
It was a Category 4 at its peak. 100.
Let's see, United States.
Wow, I'm hoping the best for the people.
Hold on. The eye of Hurricane Donna.
Okay, my phone's 3%. I'm gonna put it on charge quickly, right? Alright.
Look at that. My God.
I have to put it on charge quickly, right?
145 mile per hour gusts at Blue Hills Observatory. That's actually where I used to work. This is where I used to work. I still, the person who built this, his name was Abbott Launch Lawrence Roch. Are you there? Let's go back to the GFS. Jeez. Hold on, I gotta get something to eat. Just wait a couple minutes.
I'm sorry, I'm back. Hello?
Okay, I'm back.
Yeah, I'm back also.
All
My
right.
phone's
Oh wait,
50% on
look,
charge.
it's going northeast. So just maybe it's gonna miss the northeast. Just maybe. Let's see. Lower dynamics. Let's try the anomaly.
What's the
Almost okay.
precipitation totals?
Hold on. Good news. It may end up missing the
What?
East Coast. You see these? You see this right here?
Uh-huh.
Wait a second. Oh no. Hell no.
Dude, this is from my
Hold on.
no joke.
Okay, you see these two storms? Oh man, it's gonna get absorbed. You see this big high pressure system here? Yep.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna end up going up the coast. You see how it's going northeast right now? But that cold front is leaving, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's gonna. So basically.
Wow. Ow! I hit my head. I hit my head so hard.
Oh, be careful. I'm microwaving my dinner right now, so I'm gonna have to take a couple minutes break to eat dinner.
Alright, I'll take it over first sometime.
Well, I might have to.
So
I'm
what?
gonna mute. Once I start eating, I will mute my audio,
Uh-huh.
so you can continue to talk. Wait, if I mute that.
Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'll leave the desktop audio on, so everyone can still hear
Okay.
you. Yeah.
Alright, so guys,
No, not now.
okay.
When I'm done.
And how
Like
long?
when I start eating.
Wow. Change the location, maybe
Okay,
regions we can
989 now. Okay, it's reforming back.
Change the region to the East Coast so we can get close eye
This
on
is the
this
East Coast.
system.
It doesn't give me the East Coast. It only gives me Southeast or Eastern U.S. That's what you
Yeah,
mean.
Eastern US. Yeah.
Cool. Wow, really good view there.
Wow.
No, I'm still here, guys. I'm microwaving my dinner.
Alright, so you go. Alright, so now I have
No,
to.
like it's microwaving, so it still needs to cook.
Okay.
So it's gonna be a few minutes. Alrighty. Let's see.
What's the chat
Looks
saying?
very similar.
It's a little hard to see on my screen. Heading up that hot pocket. Yep.
Okay.
What's the percent chance that
No,
it
you see
nails
this right here.
Central
You see
Florida?
this low right here.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, it's gonna dip
That
south.
low where? Oh
And
yeah.
it will force the storm to go north. Yeah.
Potentially, we'll wait and see.
Yeah, it's gonna
A
hit
night
Florida,
bowl
and then the East Coast is gonna
free
get
for
it too.
free. What's the percent of chance that this nails Central Florida? The chances are looking pretty good right now. Of potential Central Florida landfall, but really, if you're in any parts of Florida, prepare. But if you're in Central Florida, potentially I'm one of in the worst of the system currently. But this can change. But if I were you, I would start preparing and get evacuation plans and prepare for the worst. Don't under prepare. You can never under prepare. Over prepare if you need. Just prepare wherever you are. And this system can even affect Mississippi if this does go in the Gulf. If you think about it.
All right. I'm looking at the GFS right now.
Uh huh.
Okay. Yeah, and it is gonna go up the East Coast. Let's see that right there.
I say Florida. I think most would agree with you, but yeah. So answering that Bull's question, there is a pretty good chance in Central Florida.
You see this high over here?
Mm-hmm.
It's still a chance it could miss the East Coast, but here's the thing. Let's look at 500 millibars.
Oh. Look at the moisture. No problem. system, if you're in Florida, you'll probably start feeling impacts maybe Saturday, maybe even Sunday. You guys will start getting impacts, but most
Yep, it's
impacts
going
are likely
opposite.
to be
Good
on
news, it's going
Sunday and
opposite.
Monday. Yeah, I'll take it from
So
here.
this model has it going
Keep
opposite.
it on the landing page so that makes sense.
So this model, the
You're right.
GFS has it going
So you
opposite.
can see right here. Is it like, can you loop it? Like, make you keep on. Is that like a thing?
Loop? Yeah, I can loop it.
Yeah. Yeah, loop it maybe while you're going. Alright. So you can see right here that the system is expected. Right now it's forecasted on the GFS to make landfall near Central Florida and parts of Southern Florida, but it's most definitely gonna bring pretty bad effects, potentially hurricane force winds in Central Florida. But definitely, you guys should get near tropical storm force winds, even if it does make landfall in Northern Florida or some. I think Central Florida is a lock for some huge effects for the system. So if I were you guys, I would start preparing. And I did hear that the Florida did put state of emergency. So if I were you guys, listen to what they're saying and start preparing. And as you guys also know that in the Florida Panhandle, you guys might think you're safe, but no, you guys are not safe at all. That because this system still has a potential. Yes, it's not as likely that it will hit the Panhandle as much as it will hit Florida coast, but this still is as big as a threat for the Florida Panhandle as it is for Central Florida and Southern Florida. So if you guys are want to ask any questions, be free to ask in the comment section, live chat section, and I'll be free to answer any of your questions. Again, the system is expected to bring moisture across the so over the next week or so, you guys are expected. Come on, sec. Question: will the hurricane hit Atlanta, Georgia? So Atlanta is more inland for Georgia, but you guys are probably not gonna get a hurricane, but you guys most definitely can get tropical storm force winds. I mean, actually, that's possible, but nothing is pretty certain for Atlanta. But you guys could most definitely get some rains, maybe some gusty winds. Tropical storm winds are not out of question, but I wouldn't say that as a lock. What will the rain total look for your area? So you're in Carolina, Charlotte, Carolina, Roberts. So I would be looking at anywhere from 4 to 8 inches potentially for your area. No problem. Show me Mo Graves. Exactly. I feel more safe being inland near Orlando, but it looks like the storm is headed directly over Central Florida before heading north.
Okay, I don't want to interrupt right now just for a second, but it looks like the GFS may pull a Sandy. It may pull a Hurricane Sandy. Just wanna. There's
Yeah, I was looking now, so
yeah,
I was paying attention.
there's a high coming in. It
Potential
may
Sandy.
let's
Guys, if again, I don't want to say it multiple times. If you guys do want to check, if you guys want to subscribe to Severe Weather Center, please do that and turn on his notifications. And even if you want to check my channel, you guys can just search the King Meteorologist, and both really appreciate it. But definitely subscribe to his channel and share the stream to all your friends and family who like weather or are in the system, which means anywhere up to Carolina, Florida to Carolina. So please keep an eye on the system if you have any family or even if you live there. Thank you. And when to think I see maybe potentially 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts for you, but tropical storm force winds are unlikely for you. Sorry, man, I have to go. Right, I'm signing off.
Oh, you have to
Bye. See
go?
you. You have to go right now. I have my sister game. So, guys, sorry, I guys have. Again, if you guys want to check my channel, um, just search up the Meteorologist, and yeah, he'll take over the stream after. So, thank you guys for watching. I
Oh,
mean,
I'm
well,
eating
he's
right
gonna
now,
continue
so I will mute the
to
stream.
me.
I'll mute
Bye.
the desktop. I mean the microphone. But I can still answer questions through type. Okay, I just finished eating, guys. I'm back. Yeah, I. It looks like I'll head towards Nova Scotia. Yep. Let's see why it's heading out to sea. Let's see why it's going to go out to sea. There's a high pressure system here. I think it's because of the opening in these two highs. Also because of the yeah, you see the same high that forced Dorian to go into Florida is eventually going to dip to the southwest and force Dorian to go out to sea. This seems pretty unlikely because if you have two high pressure systems, normally it would dictate that Dorian would actually go up the coast and not out to sea. And here, you see Dorian. You see how there's a weakness in the two highs and it's still going west. There's a tornado warning storm right now in Kansas. Wow, baseball size hail. Alrighty. So I might be taking a small break shortly because I have to get work early tomorrow. So I'm gonna be ending the stream around midnight after the 18Z, after the midnight run of the GFS comes in. There's a dry slot trying to come in there. But it's having a hard time because yep, you're doing upper aircraft reconnaissance right now to find out where the storm is gonna go. $22.02. That's as of 6 p.m. Right, look at that. Very strong winds forming in. Oh. Discord. All right. Hey, you back? Oh man. Hey.
Hello?
Hey. Okay.
Alright. Oh my god. So yeah.
Alright.
Are you gonna share the screen again? Because I can't multitask.
Alright.
Alright.
Alrighty. So.
Alright. System, the new GFS is looking going. Look how huge the system is. Just let's talk about the beauty of how huge that monster is. Heading right for Nova Scotia.
Nope. Heading out to sea.
This looks non-tropical. Point.
You see this right here? This is the storm that's gonna kick out, or might kick out, Dorian. You see this right here? In this run of the 12Z, the system gets absorbed by Dorian.
They're trying to agree on something, but until Evermost, I'm not sure about this track. But I mean, the GFS has been accurate on these type of systems, so who knows?
But let's look at the euro.
But,
Because the
the
euro has
euro
been
is
saying one
still
thing.
slow. Oh, look at the guys. Look over Africa for a second. Did you see?
Yeah, that little storm. Not concerned about it.
No, there's two storms. There's one showing a hurricane,
This one?
and another storm behind it.
Yeah, I see, but they're all going out to sea, so
Yeah, looks like it's kind of just do like Nova Scotia maybe. That's probably, or just take a turn with that high pressure. But
yeah.
still, that's something just to that would be cool just to track if that just goes to sea.
Hmm.
You know.
Yeah, so it's like right now it's going out. I mean,
What does zero Z? Wait, can we go back to zero Z? I just want to compare it.
let's go to GFS Legacy. New run just came in.
Oh yeah, GFS Legacy. I don't know why they don't go to why they show 384 but never goes there. I don't know why they just show that. Alright, let's just play it.
I think no, hold on, it's updating.
Oh yeah.
Oh crap! It goes takes it into the Gulf. See, almost in the Gulf.
Not really. I could go in the Gulf actually for like a 2 hours potentially. What did GFS show at the exact moment? Somewhat similar. Let's go back to Legacy for a sec. Have we ever even looked at the CMC this entire stream? Let's see how bad the CMC is.
I already checked the CMC earlier today.
What did it show? Let's look at GFS quickly.
It showed it going up the coast, but not a very strong storm.
Oh. CMC is always off of intensity.
Oh wow! Look at this
What?
storm. Look what the. Look at this right here.
Wow, shows it.
It looks like he wants to go out to sea. You see this right here? Yeah, it's gonna go out to sea. Trust me. Yep. 940 millibars. Wow.
Holy.
I mean, of course.
Wait, go further. I want to see how strong it actually can get.
937.
Wait, 947.
And then right into Nova Scotia. Boom. Like that.
Let's say rest in peace for them.
No.
That won't happen though. That's just. If that happened, if a 937.
You got a high over here. You got a building high.
The icon comes out so early. Have you realized how early the icon model comes out?
Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna see the GEFS, the ensembles.
Oh, National Hurricane Center new update came out. I mean, not it didn't come out. Why did it show it's only 5:40 now? Oh, it's your time.
Wow. Look, it's trying to form an eye.
New update's gonna come in like in 40 minutes or so.
Look at that. It's really trying to form an eye here.
I probably will have a nice eye tomorrow when it gets in with a little more moisture. Do you see how small the system was when it just formed? Did you see how small it was?
It was tiny.
It was like Barrel 2.0.
Like what, Barry?
What?
You said Barry 2.0?
Barrel 2.0.
Yeah.
Wow. Convection. Oh, you know that cool thing like the simulated IR satellite?
I think Icon. I think HWRF is about to come out. Yep. HRWF is coming out.
That's 24 hours ago. Let's see what it shows in 12 hours. So it shows right now it's at 987 millibars
This is right now.
right now, currently.
No, that's not gonna happen.
Wow.
Yeah, that's
This is wrong. They showing 3 hours of strengthening that much.
no. It's this is the model
Yeah,
forecast.
just forecast.
Okay, let's compare it to this one.
HWRF is sometimes so wrong.
Yeah, I know. Tell me about it. It's between 60.
Look at this, man. Oh my god. This is like literally like try not to laugh challenge or try not to cringe.
I know.
Wow. Go on the mesoscale models for a sec. I want to see what the intensity shows. Cause the NAM intensity is so good. It literally predicted very like spot on, and it even Nasser predicted. What does this predict? I think it predicted Alberto and Gordon. Did not predict Michael. I thought Michael would be a low end category too, so that was so.
Yeah, this storm is really trying to get itself together.
I mean, with this system, anything's possible. Did you see the conditions it survived?
Yeah.
Alright, wait, go to the mesoscale for a sec. Like in there.
Hold on. The NAM.
Wait, do you use Ventusky?
What?
Ventusky?
I've heard of Ventusky, yeah.
It's pretty. It's pretty good for the using
NAM has it going
GFS.
southwest. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
Well, look at that moisture. What is that? Look at that moisture in the Gulf. That system in the Gulf. Look at that moisture in the Gulf. Just saying.
Yeah.
Wow.
This updates every 10 minutes, the satellite.
I think that those two systems of Africa might be interesting. Not that one, but not the two one that's showing on the Europe bed. Did you hear about everyone saying the September 15th North Carolina hurricane or something? Like, I don't know what that is, but like, what's your thoughts on that?
About what? Hold on. They
Like,
just
you know,
updated
all
it.
the
They just updated it.
almanac. What?
They just updated the. They just updated this.
To be honest, Dorian didn't do too much to Puerto Rico.
Yeah, it actually completely missed
I don't
Puerto
know if
Rico.
people can agree. What? It didn't do that much at all, to be honest. I think the max abroad was like 2 inches to one area, and that was over 17 hours. So that was like there was really no flooding at all. So that's really good, really, really. Because I think everyone didn't they declare state of emergency?
Who?
If I'm correct.
Yeah, I think they did.
What's your thoughts? Do you think this system can go to Georgia, like make landfall in Georgia?
Yeah, it's possible.
Do you think there's what do you think the chances are? Wait, go on tropical tidbits. I want to see like the CMC symbols. That one's extremely widespread. I want to see how widespread they're gonna go. So like click on current storms.
Hold on. I just want to see something.
Alright. Look at that band form on the right. You use OBS Studio also?
Hmm?
I mean, who doesn't? It's one of the best.
68 and 23. Just want to see what this is saying. Yep.
Going to symbol.
It's gonna become a major hurricane tomorrow.
They are?
That's what they're
I
saying
didn't
tomorrow
realize
evening.
that. That's what they're saying. I don't agree with that at all. Major hurricane like in less than 18 hours? They're saying in 20 hours or so? We're gonna have a major hurricane Dorian. Like, no. Look, a few miles still showed going in the Gulf.
Yeah, that's the 12Z. Now let's look at the 18Z.
GFS.
Yeah.
Wait, go to do you have the Euro in here? Next
Actually, there's
generation
almost no
weather
one
app?
watching our stream now.
It's okay. Should I share this
No,
to
like,
some people?
I have to go right now. Alright, I just. There's hardly. It's only you and me. Everyone else has left.
I'm not watching it.
Oh, well, I have to go. Like, I want to. I want to see why
Trust
they
me,
all
people.
left.
What?
Everyone left my stream.
Well, there's one person watching because I'm not watching.
Well, I want to get. Look,
It's okay. People will come back. Trust me.
no, like.
Trust me.
Let me.
I'm sorry if I did a bad job.
No, it's fine. It's not you. It's that we're talking over each other. You know, it's not you. You have a very good channel. It's because I had to go on break and all that. It's Hurricane Dorian. Just let me
How
change the
about
title. Okay, all right. I. Can you come back like
alright?
I just want to see why. Maybe I need to advertise it again.
You know what you should do if you don't want if you want people to come? I have an idea. You know what you should do? Restart the stream. Like maybe stop the stream and restart it, and people get notifications.
No, that's not how.
What?
Because I don't want to restart everything. I don't want to restart the whole stream.
Like you can just end stream and press it again. You can keep the stream on the channel. Just press stop really quickly, then bring it back on. So happy. And start stream again. Alright. Alright.
Try that again. Oh, no. Okay, I have to go in 30 minutes, alright?
Alright. Alright, so let's keep on talking about the system. Alright, so.
Okay,
I'm gonna go back. Alright. So,
let's look at the is it okay if I
Okay, NAM's coming out right now, so we're looking at the system.
NAM already came out. We have to wait until 10 p.m. Okay, right now looking
Why? I can go in like
Hold
I'm
on.
gonna go.
So
We can just wait until 6:30 until the NFC update, and then
7:30 actually, but
I think that's enough for the stream.
for me it's 7:30 because I'm on the East
We
Coast.
have to go on for.
For me it's Central. Okay, Eastern time. So right now, this is looking at the current HWRF model.
Mhm.
It's continuing to move northwest. I'm still waiting to see what will happen with the new stream, with the new update. But it's almost an exact same spot. I mean, check this out. Same exact spot.
Exactly. The intensity is also pretty similar.
Same exact spot. Same similar intensity. So basically,
Someone said something in the chat. I have.
basically it's gonna hit the East Coast. I mean, Florida, and it's gonna go up and off the East Coast. I have an odd feeling. In Category 4, I have filled it. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a Category 4, maybe a 5. Not a 5, but it's possible, but very unlikely.
I think right now category 3 and 4. I think 5 is
Too strong.
unlikely because not even any intensity guidance models, not even one of them shows it.
Yeah.
Intensity guidance. That's like the thing, like.
And also, there's too much dry air.
And I think the HWRF is one of the most unreliable models for intensity, in my opinion.
It always over exaggerates.
Exactly.
Well, here's the thing.
I think the only time it was right with intensity was Michael. I think that was the only time in history it was ever right. And it was just lucky with Michael, to be honest.
Well, it read the water temperatures correctly. HWRF reads water temperatures. Oh, okay. Look at that. Oh no. Look at that. It's wrapping up now.
Look at that eye trying to develop.
Yeah, like no, that's not an eye. That's just dry air. You see that right here?
No, but the eye the eye's trying to develop right now.
Oh yeah, you're right. Well, really, what that is dry air working into the circulation. I would not call that an eye yet. Let's wait, maybe.
But it is trying to it's getting close.
Well, yeah. I mean, look at that big thunderstorm top. Boom, like that's huge.
Mm-hmm. Wait, do you have a radar, like a radar for like current radar?
No, like.
Oh, you can just go on.
Yeah, it already went outside of the range of radar. It's almost trying to form a heart shape. Look at that.
Yeah, I can see what you're saying.
Wow. I mean,
this
system
is actually
I
like how the system was one of the smallest systems and now it's becoming huge.
I mean, look at that. I don't even know that's correct. Let's go to infrared right now. I mean visible. Oops, that's for Aaron. Wrong storm.
Oh, we should talk about Aaron for a second. Tropical depression Aaron, which could actually become remnants, and actually could do lots of damage to Nova Scotia.
Nah, it's already dead.
Yeah, but it's gonna do bring a lot of rain to Nova Scotia.
Yes, that will do a lot of rain.
It's probably up to 5 inches in 48 hours. That's a lot of rain for that area.
Yeah. Jeez.
I think something came on. I'm trying to see. Well, look at the wind speed probabilities on National Hurricane Center. They just ramped it up to 90% for Florida coast.
For tropical storm force winds?
Nearly, I think it's 80, not actually it's 80%. Let me check.
Yep, and look at that big storm.
Alright, never mind. This is the same advisory. It just said, you know what happened? Like, I was on my iPad, but I haven't used it since I came back from school. So, like,
what is your
every
major?
law changed, so I thought it was a new advisory. Never mind.
Are you in middle school or high school?
What?
Are you in middle or high school?
I'm in middle school.
I'm in college. I'm like 20. You're 13.
Dude, look at it. It really shows it kind of stalling.
The model?
Track. It says it will make landfall in the Bahamas potentially on Sunday. On Sunday, it could make landfall in the Bahamas. To be honest.
Still okay. Still stuck in the same position. All right.
Let me check your YouTube chat, alright?
Yeah, of course.
Let's switch it up.
Still onion. I think this is a lower level reconnaissance mission. Alrighty.
How many people are watching right now?
Right now we have 2 people watching. Yeah. I have a feeling it might actually become a Cat 5. I mean, that's a little concerning.
I don't know. Like, honestly, I'm not gonna say anything, but I really think this system has enough. It does have some time, but like, just. What city do you think this will make landfall in?
I think around between West Palm and Daytona.
Okay. Isn't Florida the third most populated state, if I'm right?
Yep.
Third or fourth? I think Texas, New York, and California are ahead of it, if I'm right.
Yep. Got it.
Fourth, yeah. I think New York and Florida might be tied. Like, they're very close. I just have a feeling, you know when you have a feeling as a meteorologist something will happen?
Yeah.
You know what that system, I just can't stop thinking. Whenever I think of Dorian, I just thinking of I have a feeling this is gonna do something like unimaginable, something that no one would have predicted would happen. It's just like a feeling like this system has something
Up its sleeve.
for some reason.
Yeah.
But in the Gulf, that Gulf system, if that Gulf system actually develops, that would be huge because
It will pull Dorian
it
further
would basically
west.
be formed. While Dorian is like distracting everyone, that system could form as a tropical storm, and that could be a big deal.
Yeah.
I think it's aiming for Texas, so
It is, but here's how the system is
that's
forming.
what.
This system actually formed from a cold front, so this is going to be a subtropical storm.
Which one?
This system here.
Yeah.
Let's see now. Okay, I'm still waiting for it to load. Let's look at HWRF for the meantime, or let's go back to satellite.
Let's look at the intensity models. I think the new intensity models might have came out.
Not yet. Let's look at the satellite. I want to see something. What is that noise? You there? Oh man, I think Discord just crashed. You there? Yep, it's really wrapping up now, guys. Let's go back to satellite imagery now. Long wave infrared. close a couple of these out. Landfall will be very likely in south central Florida. This is West Palm Beach here, and this is the Space Coast. It's Titusville, Florida. Jeez. Yep, look at that. It says unknown, but I know that this is going to be a low-level reconnaissance mission here. Alrighty. I hope he's going to call back. I guess something went wrong with his computer. Sorry about that. Alrighty. So I'll be getting off at 7:30 and I'll resume the stream around 9 p.m. Actually, All right. So 75 degrees west. So it's moving a little bit slower here. Jeez. All right, so let's look at that storm. So I'm gonna. It's taking a kind of a long time to load right now. Okay, so right now Dorian looks like let's look at the European ensemble here. Wow, look at that. Some of them take it right up the coast and then the European has it going up the coast and not into Florida. So if the European is suggesting this, this is what may actually happen. So let's look at the HWRF. let's see here. It's almost to 76 degrees west, and here it's further west, further east, I mean. Oh man, now we have a tornado to deal with. Oh God. Yeah, that's a big tornado. Oh man. Now I gotta change gears. We got a big tornado on the ground in Michigan right now. It's heading towards Stanton, Kansas right now. It's Nebraska, actually. Yep. Let's see. All right. Well, I like it some 14 and 15 because at least it's not heading towards my family in Florida. All right. So once this finishes loading, I will go back, take a little nap, and then. Okay, because somebody in my group, the group I was in, Amateur Storm Tracker, said there's a tornado on the ground, but actually I just found out there actually really is not. And there's that stall. Alrighty, let's see now.
Not confirmed my end yet. Got no confirmation of that mind. I'm a GR level 3.
You got a tornado on the ground now. Just look at GR level 3. Yep, we have a tornado on the ground just southwest of McCook and southeast of Culberton. We do have a tornado on the ground. Let's check if that's hail or that's actual debris. Nope, we have a tornado, possible tornado on the ground now. If there is a tornado there, it's totally rain wrapped, guys. So this is going to be very difficult to track. Nope, that's not a tornado then. Look at number 14 and 15. 14, 15. Wow, much stronger storm. Holy crap, look at that. 940 millibars. This is getting scary now. Now it's going back north. See, it stopped. See? Whoa. Coroner Scarborough. Let's go to Severe Live. Let's look at some tornado videos now. No storm chasers. No storm chasing. Let's see that now. And there's no chasers in that cell. Or are there? Nope. Yep, so it's not producing a tornado. Okay, let's look at the infrared loop now. Yep, low level reconnaissance. Pressure's already dropping. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. Much further east. I mean, west. Yeah, much further east here. This is almost 78 degrees west and just around 27 degrees north. Well, this is here. A lot further east here. And let's look at the infrared loop again. All right, let's see. The last one is 23:26. That's 11 minutes ago. So we're already down to 1,014 millibars here. And winds are slowly increasing. Okay, I gotta go right now. I will be back a little bit later, and I will start a new stream.